Hey everyone, welcome back to Sadhguru's Talk. Today's session we are going to discussing about the assignment 6 of week 6 of NPTEL's one of the course called as Computer Networks and Internet Protocol, which is useful for your NPTEL exam. Let's get started. The first question: what is the primary function of the network layer in the TCP/IP model? Options: establish end-to-end connection between nodes, ensure reliable data transfer between devices, handle logical addressing and routing of data, encrypt and decrypt data for secure transmission. So the network layer is responsible for logical addressing, for example IP addresses, and routing the data packets across the network. So the answer is C, handle logical addressing and routing of data. Second question: which of the following is a key advantage of using a layer 3 switch over a layer 2 switch? So the options are given. A layer 3 switch combines the functionality of a switch and router, allowing it to perform routing between different subnets. Unlike a layer 2 switch, which only forward frames with the same subnet using MAC addresses, a layer 3 switch can use IP addresses to route traffic between VLANs or subnets, reducing the need for an external router. So the option C is suitable here. It can route traffic between different subnets without requiring a separate router. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a typical offered by an ISP, Internet Service Provider? So here they are given the 4 different type of options. Now, ISPs do not create content. They provide infrastructure and services like email hosting, web hosting, and VPNs. So, which is not a typical offered by ISP, content creation for websites. Option C. Question number 4. In a network communication scenario involving an ISP, which of the following is responsible for determining the most efficient path for packet delivery? So now the 4 different type of layers are listed here, which are options A, B, C, D. The network layer using routing protocols and IP determines the best path for packet delivery. So we know that a packet delivery means which layer responsibility? Network layer. So the option is, correct answer is B. Next, fifth one. When communicating between two nodes, what role does the transport layer protocol plays? So transport layer, we know that which is a TSP, which is reliable delivery, and UDP for unreliable delivery. Let us see the options: routing the data packets, providing IP logical addressing using the communicating devices, ensuring reliable or fast data delivery based on protocol choice, forwarding the data to the next hop through LAN. So the transport layer protocol like TSP ensure reliable delivery, unlike UDP provide faster but less reliable delivery. So the answer is C, ensuring reliable or fast data delivery based on protocol choice. Next question. What type of address is 0.0.0.0 in IPv4? So here the options are given as loopback address, default route address, broadcast address, unspecified address. We know that 0.0.0.0 is used to indicate an unspecified address, often during the bootstrapping process. So the answer is D here. Next, seventh one. What is the significance of CADR notation in IP addressing? So CADR means what? Classless interdomain routing. So the 4 different type of options are given. We know that classless interdomain routing simplifies and allows for a more efficient way of IP address allocation. So the option A is suitable here to replace the traditional classful addressing system with a more flexible and efficient way of allocating IP addresses. That is the significance of CADR notation. Option A is correct. Next, 8th question. Some problem is given. How many subnets can be created from /24 network if the subnet mask is extended to /26? So some numerical values are given as an options. We know that subnet mask /26 and 24, we need to subtract it. 26 minus 24, 2 to the power of 26 minus 24, which is nothing but 4 subnets. So the answer is B. 9th one. What is the CADR notation for supernet that aggregates some IP address are given? So the generally these two different type of supernet are includes /23. Okay, the answer is A. Next, last question in the today's session. In a home network using NAT, how does a router differentiate between multiple devices accessing the same web server? Option A, by assigning unique public IP address to each device, by using different MAC addresses for each device, by assigning unique port numbers for each session, by encrypting the IP packets. The router uses unique port numbers for each session in NAT to differentiate between devices. So the answer is C, by assigning unique port numbers for each session. So that's it for today's week 6 assignment of the NPTEL Computer Networks and IP Protocols. So we'll continue the same with the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for such more videos.